we'll guide you through how to create a Slack channel. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Slack on your web browser and make sure you're logged into your workspace. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar where you'll see a list of channels and your direct messages. You need to click on the Putty button next to Channels to start creating a new channel. A pop-up will appear asking you to name your channel. Enter a descriptive name that lets your team know what the channel is about. You can also add a short description if you like. Make sure to choose whether you want this channel to be public or private. A public channel can be joined by anyone in your workspace, while a private channel is invite only. Once you've made your choice, click on Create. After the channel is created, you'll have the option to add members. You can invite colleagues by typing their names or selecting them from a list. This is a great time to think about who will benefit from being in this channel. Once you've added the members you want, click on Done. Your new Slack channel is now ready for use. You can start posting messages, share files, or even pin important information for easy access. Remember, keeping your channels organized can help your team collaborate more efficiently. And there you have it, a brand new Slack channel tailored to your needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.